Hi guys! Meron naman nagtatanong. So, sagutin natin. Hello po, sa Go High Level lang po ba ginagawa ang automation? I have to be honest with you guys. With regards sa GHL, I'm not particularly familiar with that. Kasi right from the start, System.io ang ginagamit ko for creating automations and creating funnels. Kung gusto mong malaman all about GHL, kung ano yung meron sa Go High Level, there are a lot of content creators na nag-o-offer ng tips on how to automate GHL. Follow mo sila. Pero for me, if you wanna ask me for automations, most especially System.io, comment ka lang sa baba lahat ng mga videos natin para inform ko kayo and I'll give you tips on how to do that. So to answer your question, sa GSL lang po ba ginagawa yung automation? Hindi, maraming automation. The answer is no. Maraming mga funnel building sites na pwede mong gawin yung automation. Particularly dyan is yun, yung sinabi mo, yung GHL, at yung sa akin naman, yung ginagamit ko is yung System.io. Okay ba tayo dyan? For more tips about funnels, like and follow this account and I will see you in the next video.